So you might be in a situation where for some reason your voice is just not working inside of Google Gemini. Now, as you can see at the very bottom, you have your little voice chat icon. So you can go through and you can tap onto voice chat. Now, sometimes it might not work immediately when you click on it. So the very first thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and make sure you have the proper permissions for your microphone inside of Gemini. So what you're going to want to do here is hop inside of your settings application of your device, and you want to make your way over to your apps panel. So find the application manager where you can handle permissions between applications. And then what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you find that application called Gemini, tap on it, and then you want to make sure it has microphone access. You can see right here for my particular app, it does have microphone access. So that's kind of the first thing I'd recommend doing. So do that, see if that ends up working. Now, if that's not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to try going through and try updating the Gemini application or restarting the website page. Either one will probably end up doing it for you. So try restarting the page, try updating the website, and that can be another thing that I would recommend doing because that might end up fixing it for you. So if that's still not working, try making sure that you're tapping exactly on the microphone page. If you're not tapping on the microphone or if it's missing, you might have to go through, delete the request, and restart again. So try deleting it, try restarting it. That's another thing I'd recommend doing. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.